Welcome to TechThink Solutions. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the essential steps of setting up your profile in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your Canva experience, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Now, let's customize your profile information. Click on the Edit Info button. Here, you can update your name and profile picture and add a short bio or description about yourself. Look for the Language option. Click on it to open the language settings. In the Settings or Profile menu, check for a Dark Mode or Theme option. Toggle the Dark Mode switch to enable it. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your basic profile settings in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.